When the South African police force got involved over the Rhodesian Bush War in the 1960s already, the police, of course, has lost their military training, which they had through the years, because the police were always involved with the military in some way. There was always a military tradition in the South African police force. We think of the Second World War, with the police brigade fighting as infantry and we trained at Tobruk. But anyway, in the early 1970s, the police realized they needed a dedicated training base. So they got a place called Miljoeskop. And Miljoeskop is famous on a policeman for one little place called Bolio. And Bolio is like a hill or a copy or something you can call it, but you run up and down that damn place. And it's not that easy. It's quite hard because you're already quite tired and you're carrying a lot of equipment, and our equipment was not the new ones which the army had. It was still very old and heavy, but you did what you could, and yeah, that's polio, man. It is strange to me that every single police training area always had like a copy or a hill close by. In the dark unit, we had one as well, and I'll get to that in a different video.